proper exception to raise if none encountered as argument? What is the proper exception class to raise when one of my functions detects none passed where an argument value is required? For instance, I think I've seen type error used here, and it's true that I'm receiving a none type where some other type is expected, but that doesn't strike me as quite right for this situation where I think the exception could be more explicit.
There is no invalid argument or null pointer built-in exception in Python. Instead, most functions raise type error, invalid type such as none type, or value error, correct type, but the value is outside of the accepted domain. If your function requires an object of a particular class and gets none instead, it should probably raise type error as you pointed out. In this case, you should check for none explicitly, though, since an object of correct type may evaluate to boolean false if it implements _non-zero / bool_. Python docs. Type error Python 2, Python 3. Value error Python 2, Python 3.
What about creating and using a simple custom none exception? Maybe it is worth its 2 lines of code. See Python documentation, this URL.
As others have noted, type error or value error would be natural. If it doesn't seem specific enough, you could subclass whichever of the 2 exceptions is a better fit. This allows consistent handling of invalid arguments for a broad class of functions while also giving you more detail for the particular function.
Most of the Python function raises type error if none is passed as an argument. Take any function, say chr none, and see it raises type error.
You can more efficiently, please subscribe.